to another episode. Well, you're probably starting to get, maybe you're not familiar with the second channel yet. I have a channel called RMD Creations, and I got this channel called RM3D Creations, which started out as a 3D printing channel, but now my dogs won't shut up. But a lot of you have asked on the other channel, and this is kind of boat related, so I'm kind of reserving the other channel for more boat related stuff on the whole. But boat covers have always been, people have asked me about boat covers. Hey, where'd you get that boat cover? How did you get it to fit so good? And blah, 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 you know. So I have stumbled onto, and this video will be a win or a lose, but I bought this boat cover here off Amazon. Yes, Empire Covers makes awesome boat covers. This, and they're like 1,600 denier. This is 800 denier. But look how it fits. Look at that. Now this is a 22-foot boat. This cover was for an 18 to 22-foot boat, V-bottom, tri-hull, and other kinds of hull, is what it said. But look at how well it fits around here. Now I didn't use all the points here. See, there's another one here I could pull down on, and another one in between. There's two more to the back of the boat, and there's, I think, one up at the very front here too that I haven't used yet because I'm not trailering with this one. Yeah, there's a one in the center up front here, but this one fit really well. So I'm like loving this. This is going to shed water all day long. Now, will it shed a foot of snow? No, but it will shed water all spring, summer, and fall. So there's what I wanted to show you on that one. So let me show you why I bought another one, thinking, well, that was Mercury. Hey, buddy. Hey, guys, this is Mercury. He's my frisbee catching dog. Maybe someday I'll show you him catching frisbee. He'll go a long ways and catch a frisbee. Anyway, this is a 1973 Cobalt. And as you can see, I bought a cover for it that I wanted to make sure fit, because at that time, this was one of the biggest boats I bought. And this cover fits, let's just say, fits like a Saggy diaper. And this is just how it is. So I bought another cover from the same place I bought that last cover from, thinking, okay, this one was supposed to be for a, golly, I want to say, I have to look it up. I'll look it up and I'll put it like right here of what the foot range was for this one, so you guys can kind of get a comparison on boat length, beam width, and see how your stuff may or may not fit. So I'm going to put you on a tripod or something here, and I'm going to try to get this thing, pull this one off, and it's in that box right there. I'm going to take it out of the box and see if I can stretch it over the boat, and we'll see if I made another good purchase or not, you know. Matter of fact, I think I'll just clamp you over here onto this trailer and give you the time-lapse view of what's going on. All right, there you have it. Like I said, I'll leave the description. I'll leave a link to this boat cover below, which is the same as the same type of boat cover is over there on Big Blue. But I know you guys are gonna go, that doesn't fit with a darn. Well, I'm gonna tell you what the ills are here that I need to correct. Well, I've had supports. Now I've got supports underneath here to help support this, but this is going to cascade water off very nicely. Now the other one just sagged and it was hard to pull tight. This one I will be able to get this down below the rub rail here, but what's stopping me right now is I got this big arch piece, as you saw with the covers off, that's taking up a lot of height. Well, by the way this thing fits, I can actually get that out of there, let the boat cover, you know, do boat cover things. And you can see that I'm at the very edge back here. As soon as I take, you know, let's just call it 8, 9, 10 inches of rise out of there, maybe I just make it shorter and flatter type of thing. This is gonna come right down where it belongs. And this is how this one fits all the way around. Now I haven't put any pull downs over here. I can balance it out, pull a little more to the other side here. As you can see, I'm way below the rail here, but as it comes up, here's where my deficit shows up. But guarantee I can easily get this back, get this down below here and tighten it up. And I'm not unhappy with that at all. That's way better than the Saggy diaper. This right now will take a lot of wind and a lot of, you know, it won't float around and flop around and create pockets that water gets in. And once you get a little water in, then you end up with a lot of water in. So I'm pretty tickled with how that turned out. Pretty amazing. Well, you guys let me know what you think. I hope that's helpful for you guys. I hope that helps you guys discover what boat cover you should buy for your boat that fits. And now you can see right here, I still got some slack I can take out of this guy right here now, but I'll do that later. But I hope that helps you guys make a decision on what boat cover you can buy, or what, you know, answer the question. So far, I'm 2 for 2 on length of boat. 18-foot boat cover, I think this is a 20 to 22 foot boat cover here, and this is a 22-foot boat, and you see how it fits. An 18-foot boat, all it does is those things would come and wrap around a little further on the side. This one I probably could have stepped up to one more size, but you know, once I take that bow out of it, she's gonna be golden. Hey kitty kitty. So we're gonna put this boat cover away for a bigger boat, mark it for what it was saggy on, and we'll use it another time. Thank you, folks. But that's all, folks. Thank you, folks, for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace. Be kind to one another, and get something done today.